Hello everyone, here we have this very special 2013 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS RS convertible, shown here in black on black. Now right away, this Camaro has under 30,000 kilometers on the odometer. It is a one-owner vehicle, locally owned here in Alberta. Now, as I mentioned before, this is fully modified, and I'll go briefly through the list of modifications. If you'd like to learn more information about this vehicle and its modifications, please feel free to reach out to any of our staff at Park Mazda or visit parkmazda.ca. I'll go ahead, pop the trunk, or pop the hood, sorry. Get a quick look at that Whipple Supercharger sitting right on top, producing 650 horsepower to the wheels. Now this also does have Night Fury cams as well as 4.11 gearing, custom cold air intake with scoop and water retention. Also has Pfadt Racing tri-long headers. It is also lowered 1.5 inches on Pfadt Racing coils. And finally, it also does have Meth injection and aftermarket racing pedals. Now, all this work was done locally at CCMR Performance, as well as Moretto Motorsport. I'll take a quick look at the interior. Now, taking a look at the interior door panel here, you can see power windows, all around power door locks, and power adjustable mirrors. You can see the Boston Premium Audio System tag down below, a little bit of storage, as well as the trunk release. Nice Chevrolet silver sills. Beautiful black leather bucket seats with SS embroidered on the headrest. Very comfortable. Taking a step inside, on your left, you have your lighting controls, and on the steering wheel, your cruise control, and on the right, you have your audio controls. Now I'll go ahead and start up the vehicle for you guys. Does have a custom exhaust as well, as you'll hear right away. Sounds fantastic, but I'll go ahead and roll up the windows so you can hear me a little bit better. As you can see, 29,811 kilometers on the odometer. I'll go over to your main infotainment system really quick. You can see it does have navigation. I'll head back. It does also have Sirius XM, FM, AM. Throw it in reverse so you can see the backup camera. Moving down below to your climate controls. You have fan speed on the left, temperature on the right, and various zones on the left as well. Critical gauges down below, traction control on and off. Shifter for your 6-speed manual transmission. Plenty of storage, 12 volt, and a USB. Passenger side seat is in fantastic shape. And as we look above, you can see the release and the controls for your powered convertible top, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Now there are plenty of modifications that I wasn't able to list outside, such as a short shifter and various other modifications, so please take a look at our website or reach out to anyone at parkmazda.ca for the full list of modifications. Now I'll take a look at the exterior. And taking a look at your wheel package here, you have Pirelli P0 Performance tires wrapped around a 20-inch 5-spoke aluminum alloy Chevy painted black rim. You can see that Brembo brake package in behind, and those Pirelli P0 tires have plenty of tread left on them. It's a fantastic tire compound as well, very grippy. As for the rest of the exterior, paint is in fantastic shape, as you'd expect with a vehicle this low kilometers. Looping around the back, see that aftermarket exhaust, SS badging, as well as parking sensors down below. I'll go ahead and pop the trunk. Now, as you'd expect with a performance car, especially one that's convertible, not a ton of space, but definitely usable if you have some small luggage, or if you want to do some grocery getting in your 650 horsepower Camaro. Now finally, taking a look at the passenger side, get one more look at the door panel, side of the seat there. I also moved it up so you can see the opening to get to the rear seats if you have some small children, or if you want some extra storage. Definitely usable space. Seats are in immaculate shape, as you'd expect. So that was just a quick overview of this 2013 Camaro 2SS RS fully modified convertible. Now, as always, if you'd like to learn more information about this vehicle or any other vehicle we have in stock, just visit parkmazda.ca. If you have a special interest in this very special Camaro, please call ahead, fill out the form online, come down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with your choice of either a $25 Visa prepaid card or 50 air miles or wear miles. We'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.